Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca on the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Wednesday late afternoon around 4 o'clock. The clouds have, as expected, have rolled in, and we're getting a few isolated showers in some areas and a few sprinkles. So we'll continue with that chance the remainder of the afternoon and into the early evening hours. Really nothing more than that, but looking at pictures. Again, as of 4 o'clock down in EASTON'S Beach in Newport, and you can see the gray skies have taken over. High temps today, cool for this time of year. Average high should be 65 and topping out in the upper 50s in many locations. Just issued a little while ago to coastal flood advisory, and want to stress right off the bat, this is just minor stuff, nothing serious, but there may be some minor kind of nuisance coastal flooding around the time of high tide, just around midnight tonight, but more so tomorrow night and into early on Friday morning. So it's not a flood warning. It's not a coastal flood warning, what we call a flood advisory, and there may be some minor issues, but nothing more than that. Astronomical high tides being one of the factors, and that's typical every spring. We do get that occasionally. All right, here's the deal. Some showers for this evening, early evening. Our next system is actually, as far as widespread precipitation, is actually Friday, not so much during the day, but rather Friday night. Daylight hours of Friday look dry. We go from sun to clouds. And then rain just after sunset, widespread rain likely on Friday night. Very unusual weekend coming up as far as temperature, especially Saturday. Some scattered showers on Saturday, windy and cold for May. Dry, windy, though, for Mother's Day Sunday. That's the good news, but it is, even on Mother's Day Sunday, it is unseasonably cool. In the meantime, and here's the deal. We have this very unusual outbreak of colder air dropping down from Canada on top of New England by the weekend. I mean, for May standards, it is unusually cold. We're talking daytime highs on Saturday with scattered showers, perhaps only upper 40s to around 50. In fact, the mountains of upstate New York for Mother's Day weekend, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine may see a significant snowfall in the Adirondacks, the Green and White Mountains of northern New Hampshire, and up through far northern Maine. No accumulations here, although it wouldn't surprise me if there were a couple of wet snowflakes mixed in with the scattered showers on Saturday to give you an idea of the chill. But as far as any legitimate accumulating snow, that is essentially reserved for the mountains to our north. But to give you an idea of just how chilly it's getting here. All right, let's take a look at what's going on right now. Satellite radar composite, and you can see those showers coming up offshore. So just kind of nuisance stuff, scattered showers this evening. And here's the wider view. So what it looks like right now, when we take this into the future, you get the showers this evening and then pulling away overnight. Tomorrow overall is actually not bad. Now this is 2 o'clock Thursday afternoon, a couple of brief passing showers. But of the 14 hours of daylight now that we have this time of year, a majority of that time on Thursday was actually dry with a mix of clouds and some sun. So I can give you a more detailed look at tonight through Thursday. Starting off this evening, and where's my data? There it is. And starting off at 7 o'clock, cloudy skies, few passing showers. Boom, they're gone overnight. Here we are at 7 a.m. with partly sunny skies, mid-40s. The winds are light. And then early to mid-afternoon, I would say anytime between, say, 1 and 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, just a little blip of green, an isolated shower. It's got a short shelf life. Otherwise, a mix of clouds and sun, and that may be enough to boost the temperature up to around 60. The coast should be cooler. You've got a definite wind off the water on Thursday, southwest of 13. That'll keep the coastline cooler. And then tomorrow evening early, clouds on the increase. And then later tomorrow night, meaning after midnight, some additional scattered showers. So for this evening, just a light passing shower, mainly cloudy. Temp at 11 o'clock at around 47. Thursday morning, sun to some late morning clouds at around 11 a.m. Temperature by 11 a.m., 57. And then during the afternoon, a cloud-sun mix, temperature around 60. Just a brief passing shower. You catch one, 15, 20 minutes gone kind of a deal. And then by 6 o'clock in the evening, we are partly cloudy, partly sunny, and a temperature around 60. So wrapping it up, a few showers late this afternoon and early this evening. Just an isolated brief shower on Thursday, but mainly dry. Friday day, mainly dry. Rain Friday night. and just an unseasonably chilly Mother's Day weekend, especially on Saturday, which will feature some scattered showers. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.